All right, guys, let's talk about why you are here. You all suffer from YouTube tutorial syndrome. We are here to heal. Who wants to go first?
I could start. Hi, I'm Amy. I want to be a front-end developer, and I spent so much time learning React, Angular, Vue. But then just yesterday, a new JavaScript framework came out that everyone says I have to learn.
What is it?
GPT script!
I hear you. Why are you here?
Hi, I'm Raj. I've been trying to learn to code, but I don't know where to begin. I have around 50 playlists on YouTube for Python, HTML, object-oriented programming, data structures. My parents keep asking me every day, Raj, when will you finally become a software engineer?
No, Habibi, don't bother. Coding's dead. Khalas.
Where did you hear that?
I heard it from some YouTubers.
YouTuber galat kard ba to.
Brother Mosh,
Brother Alex, what are you doing here?
I was training on Python, but I took your advice to learn JavaScript. Now I've started all these long, dry, 80-hour courses, but I haven't finished a single one. I've got a real problem here, Mosh. I need your help.
You do have a problem.
I do indeedy.
All right, guys. You all suffer from information overload and lack of structure. And this is where Code with Mosh comes in. The great news is we're currently offering a 50% discount on the annual subscription. That's over 50 courses, plus all the courses coming out next year. How good is that?
50% off? Zabardast deal hai bhai.
Heck yeah! Hello. All right. Could buy a lot of snake food for that.
If you or a loved one want to recover from YouTube tutorial syndrome, enroll in an all-access subscription to Code with Mosh. That's over 50 courses, plus all the courses coming out next year. This offer is valid until November 30th. Click the link below to enroll.
What's that? You want to learn to code? Oh, you cute. You don't got fingers.